Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore UI branding in Squarespace with Style Editor step by step clearly. To begin restoring your UI branding in Squarespace, log into your Squarespace account. Select the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Navigate to the Design tab located on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Custom CSS. In the Custom CSS panel, you may see an area to input your CSS. If you previously deleted any branding elements, you might want to restore them by reintroducing specific CSS codes. To address UI branding, inspect your current design elements and identify what needs restoration. For colors, look for the color settings in the Style Editor. Update background colors or text colors that align with your brand. Next, locate the Fonts section in the Style Editor. Choose fonts that reflect your brand's identity and ensure consistency across your site. If you removed any custom logos, go to the Logo and Titles section. Here, you can upload your logo file and adjust its size if necessary. Next, return to the Style Editor and find the spacing settings. Adjust padding and margins to create a balanced layout. Review your changes in the Preview section to see how they affect your branding. If you're satisfied with the updates, make sure to save your changes. Finally, check your website on different devices to ensure consistency across all platforms. You have now successfully restored your UI branding in Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.